In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print invoices last month, QuickBooks Desktop 2026, step by step. Let's get started by going to QuickBooks. Once you're in, look to the top menu and head to the Sales and Get Paid area. This is where you manage customer transactions and see everything related to your sales. On the left-hand side, choose Invoices. That opens the full list of your invoices so you can filter and find exactly what you need. Next, focus on the date filter near the top of the invoices list. Click the small drop-down arrow next to it. From the list of date ranges, select last month. This instantly narrows your view, and all invoices from the previous month will appear. Using this filter is the fastest way to isolate the right time period without manually entering dates. With last month's list on screen, scroll or scan to find the specific invoice you want to print. Take a moment to confirm key details like the customer name, the invoice number, and the amount, so you're sure you've got the correct one. When you've found it, move your attention to the far right of that invoices row. This is the action column. Here, you may see a print option right away. If you don't, click the small drop-down button in that action column to reveal more options. Then select Print. A printable view or a preview window will open. In that window, look toward the top right and click the printer icon. This brings up your system's print dialog. Now select the destination. Choose your physical printer if you're printing a hard copy, or pick a virtual option, like saving to PDF if you need a digital copy for email or records. Before finalizing, quickly review the settings. Confirm the correct pages are selected, set the number of copies, check orientation and paper size, and make sure any headers or footers look right. When everything looks good, click Print. If nothing happens when you try to print, make sure your browser or system isn't blocking pop-ups, and confirm your printer is connected and selected correctly. If you need to print multiple invoices from last month, simply repeat the same steps for each invoice in the filtered list. Keeping the last month filter active makes that process fast and consistent. And that's it. You went to Sales and Get Paid, opened Invoices, filtered the date to last month, located the invoice, used the action column to select Print, opened the preview, clicked the printer icon, chose